Hey everyone, welcome back to Strum-believable Beginners. We're learning guitar by practicing a little bit every day and getting better one chord at a time. Today we're in the key of E major, and Harmony is going to be using a capo on the 4th fret and playing through a simple progression. Let's get to it. The chord progression for this is going to be 1, 3, 6, 4. Here's the C chord shape. Place your middle finger on the 1st fret of the B string, your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string. Strum all of the strings. Next is the E minor chord shape. Place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, right under it. Strum all of the strings. Next is the A minor chord shape. Place your index finger on the 1st fret of the B string, your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, right under your middle finger. Next is the F major chord shape. Bar your index finger on the 1st fret of all of the strings, your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, and your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string. Pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the D string, right below the ring finger. Strum all of the strings. It helps to curve the finger you're borrowing to make it easier to play. Now that you've gone through all of the chord shapes, let's put them together. Harmony is going to play through the chord progression at 147 BPM, so don't worry if it feels fast at first. Focus on staying steady, relaxed, and keeping a steady strum. Nice job playing through that progression. Remember, getting better comes from playing a little bit every day, even one chord at a time. Thanks for practicing with us, and we'll see you next time in the next video here on Strum-believable Beginners.